We built a system for mild autism kids to encourage and enhance their skills. So yeah, let's move on to the application what we have built. So these are the features that we created in the system, and let's log in as a parent and what parent and kid has, what are the features that they have. So let's log in as a parent, and after logging as a parent we have to create a student account. So after the student account uh, he has to log in the student has to log, because there are some certain features that will not work without students authentication. So in this case what we have to do is we have to give students details and create an account. So what we should do is we have to give the child name, username and the PIN number. So after creating the student account, we should do a login in the child login section. So we have to go to the home page and click accounts and go as child login and give the PIN. So after do the login, this is what it shows like as the display. So let's move on to the features. So emotion simulator, the first feature is about to recognize emotions. So we help the child who has autism to recognize emotions. So let's move on to happy content. So we have to wait for 3 seconds. So these cards will teach about
Smiles
the
are like sunshine.
content.
When you share one, you light up somebody's day.
After that he will have a video like about the relevant emotion. So it will teach about the feelings. It's about happy. After watching the video, the student will have an exercise to do, whether he has recognized the feeling properly. Then a surprise will be displayed.
How do you feel today? Are you angry?
To encourage him. So after that he will be having an activity to check whether he has correctly identified the emotion properly. Again he will have another tutorial about feelings, about happy.
G'day, mate. Hi, it's...
So after watching the tutorial, he can enroll in an activity under buttons. So what he has to do is he has to open the camera and smile. So work according to the feeling. So the camera will capture whether the feeling is correct or not. So the activity will be like this. So after he has given the correct expression, he will get a pass and average score and the attempts. So that's the emotion simulator, the process of emotion simulator. So let's move on to speech therapy tool. So in speech therapy tool, he has to select a section what he is in interest and give the correct pronunciation for the correct word. So he can listen to the pronunciation. It's monkey, then the monkey voice will play and he'll get a chance to speak.
Please say the word now. You said it perfectly.
So if he said it perfectly, he'll get an display like this. So let's move on to interactive games. So interactive games, like it has 4 types of games: routine, transport, social and memory. So to improve his skills like routine and to memorize stuff and to be sociable and to improve his memory, we built this interactive games section. So we'll be able to track his progression level, so whether he is correctly giving the answers properly. So when he give the correct answer, he'll get a score. So this is about the memory, to check whether he has a good memory to understand colors. So let's move on to virtual nursery. So virtual nursery, he will be having tutorials and activities regarding to specific topics. So he can select what his interest. The parent can select, or the therapist can select what his interest, and to ask him to go through the relevant content, relevant tutorials. So this is about alphabet. He can select what he's interested on. So after watching the video, he'll be have an activity whether he has correctly learned properly, like whether he has understand the tutorial properly. So he'll be having a game like this.
Yay!
Gives the correct answer.
Keep trying. You got this. Yay!
So if he give the correct answer, we'll encourage him. If he doesn't give the correct answer, so this is the blog section. So he can learn about blogs. He can go through these blogs. What is autism? So he can listen to these blogs. So let's log in as mentor. What mentor has? So what are the credentials that mentor has? So mentor can track each student's progress. So these are the progression. These are the features that mentor can track, how he has correctly answered and his progression level. Those are the report section. So and speech therapy tool, he can add speech cards and add more cards in the speech therapy tool under separate category. He can edit those cards. He can give the name of the relevant word by giving the voice command. So mentor can add speech cards, and also in the virtual nursery, mentor can add videos. So student didn't have the feature to add videos, so mentor has the feature to add videos. So he can add YouTube videos or videos of his own that he be created. So routine builder will be an IoT component, and interactive games will be available in the next version. So routine builder we are planning to create an IoT component to track the student. So that's it. Thank you. So this is the application. These are the features that we covered. Thank you very much.